Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be unboxing some plants from NSE Tropicals. This is the first time that I've ordered from them, and yeah, let's get into it. I have 3 plants and kind of an add-on, last minute add-on. So I'm super excited. Like I said, I've never ordered plants from Enid before, but I can't wait. I know there's some treasures in here. Packaging looks really good, very secure. So yeah, let's just get into it. First plant here. All right. Awesome. So this is Philodendron Bernardopazii. Let's see, it's got 4 leaves on it. Newest one is still kind of unfurling or hardening off. Great aerial roots. Stem looks good. All the leaves look great. Comes potted, so I don't have to rush to mix up some new mix. All right, moving right along. Very cool Philodendron alternans. Really nice, kind of long, strappy leaves. Next up, this is the one that kind of drove the order to begin with. Excited that it was saved for the end. Come on. Oh, I can't wait. Oh yeah. This guy. Philodendron patriciae. Really good sized plant. It was not cheap by any means, but I know there's been a lot of kind of fakes or dupes that circulate with this plant, and so I'm very happy to have one from a very trusted source over at NSE. Looks like there might be a second growth point or something down there. Let's open this up and see if we can't find that without shredding the leaves. Nope, it was just some moss. Very cool. Oh man. So excited to add this one to the collection. Can't wait for those big mature leaves with all the ripples and waves in them. Really, really nice. And lastly will be some seeds of Anthurium windlingeri. This is the one with the really neat corkscrew inflorescence. And it looks like there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 seeds. The listing was only for 5, so that's a bonus. Thank you, Enid. I'll get these guys potted up into probably just some sphagnum moss, maybe in a to-go tub, and wait for them to germinate. I'll definitely keep y'all posted on those. So yeah, here's the final lineup. The 3 plants, Philodendron patriciae, Philodendron alternans, and Philodendron bernardopazii, along with the Anthurium winlingeri seeds. And yes, I don't really have the space to fully isolate these, but I will spray everything down with some Captain Jack's dead bug ready to use, and kind of keep them a little bit spaced out in one of my grow spaces. Definitely trust that Enid has good maintenance practices, but it's always a good idea just to be extra careful when adding new plants to your collection, to take all the precautions. You don't want anything that might have hitchhiked along to take hold and wreak havoc on your collection. Next up, I'll just go through the planting of these seeds into some sphagnum, and I'll catch you there. To sow these seeds, I'll first start by spraying everything down with rubbing alcohol. I'll be using long-fibered sphagnum moss that I rinsed, chopped into small pieces, then microwaved to sterilize. I also microwaved some fine perlite to mix in. Next, I filled the pot most of the way with the moss and perlite mix and capped it with straight moss. The seeds are pretty small and have already been rinsed of any fleshy bits from the berries they came from. I'm using a skewer to space them out on the surface of the moss. A light spray of water helps them make good contact with the moss and will hopefully stimulate germination. I'll make note of the date and keep the lid closed for the time being. These will be kept under bright lights on my orchid shelf. After about 5 days, I already noticed signs of germination. You can see the tiny specks of green emerging from the white seeds. Just over 2 weeks from planting, the first leaves have started to form. Out of the 9 seeds, 8 have made it this far. The phyllos got a repot after about a week and are still isolating. Swelling caterpillars are a good sign that new growth is coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.